Hey everyone, so today I'll be doing a review on some LPS. I really like the new ones, so I got some. I got one of the black and white ones. It's a little cow with a little baby cow. It's hard out to get glare, sorry. And then I got some of the more normal ones. I got this octopus with a little baby octopus. And I got this pelican with a baby pelican, and it has a little boat. It's really cute. Blanche Pelicano and Daisy Pelicano. If I'm saying that wrong, please tell me. And then Vera Octopi and Vena Octopi. I don't know which one's supposed to be which. And these ones are Plumella Cowbell and Calla Cowbell. They all have names. That's how I knew this one was a pelican and not a duck, because his name is Pelicano. That makes it a pelican, I believe. So I'll be right back. Focus. Right back once I get these out of the packaging. I'll show you too. So I'm back, and we'll start out with the little cow. So this is the cow, and they have the little bobblehead, which I'm glad they brought that back because they took that a while away for some of them. But it might have come back before now, and I just didn't know because I haven't collected them in a little while because I didn't like some of the ones they made. But I really like these ones. I like the black and white ones with like the stuff like this. This is the other side, and it actually has, you can see, little udders. It's so cute. And then it comes with, first off, a little baby cow. Oh, its head turns. Oh, that's so cute. I didn't think its head would turn because it's so tiny. Because like, this is a normal size LPS. And then look how tiny it is. That's so cute. I love it. And this is a little tiny one it comes with. This little head can turn so you can make it look whatever direction you want it to. And then they come with a couple little accessories. The one they come with is this teeny tiny little baby bottle, which is so hard to show you because I can't almost hold it where you can see it. It's so tiny. It's just for the little baby cow. Even though if this is the baby cow and this is the mommy cow, couldn't it just drink out of the mom's cow udders? I don't know. But then they also come with this accessory, which is for the big one. It's a bow that sits on its ear like that. So yeah. And then the other accessory they come with is this big one. You take this little wagon, and there's this little hook on the end, and you hook that through the tail, and then you can put the baby one in it, like that, and you can just pull them along. The wheels don't actually turn, but it's still really cute, and this little part actually moves. Moves. I made a pun, and I didn't even mean to. So yeah, this is the cows. And now on to, let's do the octopus next. This is the octopus. It's got like this purple spot stuff on its head. I think it's really cute. And then it's got these little legs. And the thing is, you could actually like turn it whatever direction you want and pretend whatever you want to be the front. The front it came with is this one that's like going like, It's like thinking. It's like, Should you like this video? Yes. Should you subscribe? Yes. I'm a very cute octopus. Subscribe just for me. And then it comes with a little baby one. Does its head turn? Oh, it does. Oh, I'm so in love with these little tiny ones when their heads turn. I didn't think they would. I thought they'd be little hard pieces of plastic. Oh, it's like sassy. Do you see it? How it's got like those little arms folded in the front? Can you see that? Focus. Come on. Show them. Do you see its little sassy folded arms in the front? It's like, Do you see that? Oh, how many of you can see that? That's so cute. I like how this one's pink with purple on top, and this one's purple with pink on top. They're like opposite. And then their little accessories are, I gotta look and make sure I get them right. Okay, I gotta make sure the right one goes with the right one. Cause see, then there's this little accessory, which you can put around the octopus. We wear the one arm that goes up. It makes it hard. I don't know how you'd ever get that back off of her, but I'm not gonna try to. It's so cute. And then the other one I think is just like a little tiara for this one. Focus. Focus. Focus there. It just kind of wears as a tiara. It doesn't really stay on. You could probably try to get it around it, but I don't know if that would come back off real easy, so I'm not going to try that. And then their bigger accessory is this little seashell that actually like closes. Oh, it's not just one of the ones with the plastic folds. It's actually a hinge. That is really nice, because when the plastic is folded, sometimes it'll crack after a while. So just like this, and then you can just put your tiny little octopus right inside. Hello. And then if you want, it closes right inside. So what would be really good is if you think you're going to lose the little necklace and stuff, you can just put that right in there with it and then close it, and then you won't lose it, and it's a little bigger this way. So yeah, open that back up. This is the octopuses. I really like them, because I don't have like an octopus in my LPS collection yet. So yes, I'm leaving these little guys in here so they don't get lost. And now we're on to the last one, which is the pelican. This one is this one. I don't know which name goes for which one. Does it like stay on the back? No, I don't think so. I'm not sure. Here, let me see. It doesn't matter anyways, but this is a pelican. It's got this cool, I like its like feathers on the back of its head. I have a few birds, but they're mostly just like normal, normal birds, or they're like odd colors. So I really like having this just like normal white bird. It looks more realistic in it. In my collection. And he has this big beak, which also means he's a pelican. I might rename it Goose or something from Racing Stripes. I'm not sure though. So this is what it looks like, and it has these little feet. I like its feet. They actually have detail on the bottom. You see that? That's cool. And then it comes with its little baby. Does your head turn? Please tell me it does. No. The octopus and the cow's heads turn, the baby ones, but the pelican doesn't. The little baby pelican, its head is stationary. Still cute. I still really like it. It has like little hair just like the big one, just way littler. Oh, and it has green eyes. It doesn't have blue eyes. Oh, I like that. It's so tiny. It's just so tiny. And then they come with just little tiny fish. I will probably lose that if I don't put it away right after this video. And then this is really cute. This is an accessory for like the little one. It has a little sailboat. That's so cute. And then this one, the other accessory for the big one, it's glasses. Like that. They don't stay on my wall, but they sit there. So like you set them on a shelf, they'd stay. It makes them look like, yeah, I'm cool. I'm weird, I know. But yeah, so these are their accessories. So these are the little pelicans. So yeah. So if you like LPS reviews, give this a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want me to do more, and if you have some sets you like to do. Like I prefer the smaller, just 2 animal sets to the really big ones, because I just like the smaller ones because I get to pick more what animals I want. Where the big ones, you usually get 1 or 2 you don't like as much, even though I like all of them because they're cute. So yeah, comment down below if you want more, and which ones if you have ideas, and subscribe. Bye!